Wash hands before collecting swab. Blow nose if needed. Open self-collection kit and place all supplies on a clean, dry surface. Place the swab as far into the nostril as comfortably possible. While holding opposite nostril closed, slowly rotate swab and blow onto swab for at least 5 seconds. Place the swab into the provided collection vial. Break off swab into the vial. Discard the swab handle and wrapper. Close the vial lid securely. Write date and time of collection on the labeled vial. Once finished, place vial in white absorbent sleeve and place this into a small biohazard bag. Immediately place in the refrigerator until it is time to ship the samples.